Okay, so he started cutting hair in high school with razor and comb. Now he's a go-to barber if you want a stylish cut. Talking about Cristoffe Laoe, more popularly known as Gova Barber. He's in the studio with us this morning. Good morning, sir. Welcome.
Morning, Simone.
What's the name of your model?
Shanae Robinson.
Shanae, what go on, Shanae? Just wave to the people, them, because you don't want no mic. Hey. Okay, so she trusts you to go in her hair, which means you obviously know what you're doing.
Definitely.
You've been barbering since high school.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it you love about this skill? And it obviously came naturally to you.
Yes, definitely. It's just the thrill that I get every day, doing different things and experimenting, trying to be the best.
How did you learn? Like, you first cut on somebody or you cut on a dolly? Like, how did you do it?
On someone.
Somebody let you in their hair?
Yeah.
At how old?
I was like about 14, 15, yeah.
Wow.
About 14, 15.
And what kind of cut you did that day? You remember what your first cut was?
Yeah, it wasn't a good one.
Hey.
Razor and comb, yeah. But it was on a childhood friend named Moses Kelly. I can't forget Moses Kelly, yeah. And
so how have you learned the trade now? Have you gone to?
No, I never been to school.
God-given.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. How did you get better over the years?
Well, I went around my cousin Mark and I saw what Mark was doing and I was very, very excited about what he was doing and want to be like Mark. So yeah, I have to big up Mark, definitely.
You had a tough time of it, eh? Chris, from your coming up, never knew your mom, you grew up in state care.
Yes.
And even with the jobs, like you've done different things, you've tried your hand at different things.
I was just searching. I never know what I was really good at. But I knew I could do barbering all along, but I never knew I was really that good.
Do you know now that you're really that good?
Definitely.
And how did you get to know that?
Feedback from customers, people abroad, do work with entertainers. A lot of people reach out to me, even barbers from overseas. Yeah.
Excellent. Even the ones who are criticizing you.
Definitely.
Because you got a unit in a shop and the man them laugh after you because them see you with the spritz.
Definitely.
I see you with the hair dye, I see you with the gel and say, where am I?
This a year just at this. Yeah, so, well, they try a lot. And I did pull through. I never really listened to the noise. Yeah, because I know I could do it. Yeah.
Nice, man. So what's going on with you now? Where you set up? Where you located?
Yeah, well, I'm at Caribbean Estate now, Portmore. There's a plaza on the front, next to the front gate, yeah.
And how is business?
Business is nice, definitely nice.
And you have women and men sitting in your chair.
A lot of females.
And you're well trusted.
Yeah.
I see the design that you have over there. That's so intricate, sir. Very, very nicely done.
Yes.
Can't believe all of that is like, oh my gosh, look at the screen. Chris, that's really, really good.
Yeah.
And that's freehand?
Freehand, yeah, definitely freehand.
So you imagine the designs and then you color too?
Yes.
Yes. Boss. What you gonna do in remember my name again?
Shanae, yeah. Well, I'm going to do a heart design. Okay. Yeah, that's one of my most requested ones. Yeah, the heart.
Shanae one of your regular customers?
Yeah, Shanae.
Shanae say, Chris got this, right, Chance?
Shanae is like a weekly customer.
Okay, yeah. Here's so low, you have to keep it neat. All right, let's go. Barber, Gova Barber, do your thing. Do your thing. Give him some music, make him work, guys. All right, so I'm gonna walk over here. What you call skill, man. So talk us through as you work now.
Well, I'm actually creating the template with my outliner. These are very sharp. Sometimes people twitch.
But I now twitch, not hard.
Shanae used to it. Yeah. But sometimes they get used to it over time.
So Shanae, let me ask Chris, because Shanae can't move her head. Chris, you usually discuss the design beforehand with your customers, right? Or would people come in the chair and just say, do something?
Yeah, most people, because they actually see it on social media before they come. Most people discover me on Instagram, so it's like sometimes people just say, do what you want to do.
And where the name Gova Barber come from?
Well, I get the name Gova because I was in government care, and when I was going to Dembe High School, like I used to say all my things are Gova lover stuff, because I used to call the government things like, you know, we get like everything from the government. So I would usually use the term Gova lover. And so my friends, like Courtney, I have a friend named Courtney Simpson. He stick the name Gova lover. And so everybody from high school start calling me Gova.
So when you became a barber, then it was
yeah, I just used the name
Gova
Barber.
Okay.
Yeah. I actually fall in love with the name.
Yeah, it works. It's a good marketing name, right?
Yes,
Gova Barber. Okay, so do people come in with like designs and say, I want you to do this?
Yes.
And you replicate it?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Because even that one with the PlayStation, the little boy with the PlayStation design, it was for his birthday. He told his father he wanted a PlayStation sign in his head.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Chris, you do art?
I never did art in school, but I used to draw well.
Yeah, it's clear, but you have to have some kind of artistic meaning to be able to do
I did mostly sciences, so in like bio classes, and so I used to draw like the stuff well.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what is your dream, sir? So you're in Caribbean, it says you're in your own shop now, or you have a booth in that shop?
Me and another barber work together. Yeah, but it's rented.
What is your ultimate dream?
Well, my ultimate dream is to have a nice barber studio with a few more barbers in it. Yeah, definitely.
That you are renting to them?
Yes.
I love that for you.
Yes, definitely.
And so a lot of your followers now are overseas as well? So you have followers in Jamaica and overseas?
Definitely, yes.
I wonder if you have people just fly down just to get this haircut.
Of course.
You do?
Yes.
How will you say?
Yes. Shout out to my clients from America. Yeah, they did a wedding thing last year. In December. Yeah, they definitely hooked me up from early.
So a regular haircut is how much, guys? Like how much? Range? $1,500? So Chris, what are your prices? Because your work is much more intricate.
Well, $1,500 is like the basic, for the basic.
But when you add like the design and
yes, it will go up. So a haircut can range from $2,500 to like $10,000.
$10,000?
Yeah.
Like for that one? What would cost
Not
10?
for this one.
The one on the screen?
Coloring, yeah, coloring and design and haircut.
So you do
like a big chop.
So you mix the color and put in the color and everything as well?
I do everything.
You're not a barber then, you're a hair technician.
I still consider myself a barber.
You do everything.
Yeah.
You cream hair?
No, I never do that one. I never relax anybody here. But the color, definitely with the color.
Chance, look good enough? Yeah, man, Chana, you're going about. Where will we find you? Gova_barber is your Instagram.
Yes, Gova_barber.
And your physical shop is at?
Caribbean Estate, Portmore, right at the plaza.
All right, brother.
Thanks.
Keep going, upward and onward. All right, Cristoffe, Laoe, barber, model, Shanoy, in the chair, Gova Barber. That's it. Soon come back, roll out, next. Don't say it. Yes.